Hey everyone! Today we're comparing Debian 13 Trixie and LMDE 7 Gigi to see which Linux distribution takes the crown. Let's get started. Let's start with Debian 13, codenamed Trixie. The Debian 13 is the latest stable release of Debian, known for its reliability, huge package repository, and strong community support. It offers a variety of desktop options including GNOME, KDE, and more, giving users flexibility depending on their needs. This distro is designed for long-term stability, making it perfect for work systems and critical setups. Users consistently praise the Debian for its rock-solid stability and reliability. Some notice that Debian can be tricky for beginners due to setup and configurations. The Debian is extremely stable and secure, long-term support and huge package repository. But it's not a beginner-friendly and it provides slower updates. Now let's look at LMDE 7GG. The LMDE stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition, and version 7GG is designed to give users the Linux Mint experience without relying on Ubuntu. It comes with Cinnamon, Mate, and more. It provides a regular updates while keeping Debian stability, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users. Users love the smooth transition from Windows and ready-to-use interface. The LMDE7GG is a user-friendly Cinnamon desktop, Debian stability with mint polish and ready to use out of the box. Users praise the stylish design, setup, and smooth performance, and some note minor hardware compatibility issues and occasional update delays. So, choose Debian Trixie if you want maximum stability, security, and huge package. Well, choose LMDE 7GG if you want user-friendly, Debian-based experience with mint polish. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.